Hello, third graders. Happy Wednesday. Today we have made it, this is the halfway through the week, and we are going to be dividing by 1. So we're going to stop with our multiplication, and we're going to be practicing our division. So remember, when we are dividing by 1, it equals the number we are dividing by. So what that means is 9 is our total, and we're skip counting by our 1. So 9 divided by 1. So how many times do I have to skip count by 1 to get to 9? I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It took me 9 fingers to skip count by my 1s to get to 9. So that's just showing you that whatever you're dividing by, and if you're dividing it by 1, it's going to be the same number. So same here, we're going to see on our IXL standards, it's going to be 1, and then there's going to be this little line right here. So it's the same thing, just written differently. So this is what we're skip counting by, and this is the total. So again, I'm going to see if I'm skip counting by 1s, how many fingers does it take till I get to 9? So it'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, it took me 9 fingers to skip count when I divided 9 divided by 1. So now let's practice down here. So if I have, 7 divided by 1, I know division's different from multiplication because for multiplication, the total is the answer. But for division, the total is going to be the first number. So 7 divided by 1. So how many times do I have to skip count by 1s till I get to 7? So I'm going to count up by 1s till I get to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took me 7 fingers, so 7 divided by 1 is 7. And we notice the answer is the same right here and there. And then when we go on IXL, remember, this is when we're going to see something different, but it's the same thing. So if it helps and you want to rewrite it out on a paper as you do your IXL standards, you can go like this, and they're going to equal the same thing. So 5 is my total. I'm dividing it by 1. How many times do I have to skip count by my 1s to get to 5? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It took me 5 fingers, so my answer is going to be 5. So now I have my total 10 divided by 1. So remember, this is my total, and this is what I'm skip counting by. So I'm going to skip count by my 1s to see when I get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it took me 10 fingers, and notice again, the same answer. So 1 does have a little rule that you can remember, and when we're dividing by 1, it equals the number we are dividing by. So now 4 divided by 1, this is my total, and you can rewrite it out like this if you would like. So I'm going to skip count by my 1s and see when I get to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It only took 4 fingers when I skip counted, so my answer will be 4. And now 3 divided by 1, remember this is my total, what I'm skip counting by. How many times am I going to skip count by 1 till I get to 3? 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers, and I can always check my answer by seeing if these are the same. Or I can also check my answers by saying my skip count times how many fingers equals my total. You can also check your answer like that. And our last one, 2 divided by 1. So my total is 2. I'm going to skip count by my 1s. 1, 2. It only took 2 fingers, so my answer is 2. All right, that is it for today. Just remember that when we are dividing our first number, when it looks like this in the division sign, it's our total divided by skip count. And then when it looks like this, our total is underneath the little house, the little lines, and then this is what we're skip counting by. All right, thank you and have a great rest of your day. Bye.